Hello everyone and welcome to Good Mental Health. So it's a brilliant topic which I'm going to bring up in today's show, right? So the very important thing is, if you doesn't know that how do mentally strong people are so strong in life. So there's a secret behind that and I'm going to disclose that and hope this will help you out to really follow these things in your life and become mentally strong people, right? So number one thumb rule, what you have to really make in your life is moving on. Yes, you heard me right. Moving on is the best strategy when things happen in our life, and if we just stuck with that and we just doesn't do anything else and we are just feeling like we cannot do anything else in life, that is going to ruin ourselves and will not allow us to grow in life. If you will accept the situation, acknowledge it and let it go and feel that let it be, that is the way you will help yourself to move on in life. That's the number one thing if you want to be a mentally strong person. And the next one is embrace changes, right? So changes are the best thing in our life. Nothing in this world is stagnant. Everything keeps on changing, and that's the law of universe. So nothing lasts forever, and we should accept that changes happen for our best, and we should accept it. Whatever the change come in our life, we should accept it. We should never fear the changes as thinking that these are the big challenges in our life. If you think or choose our mindset to be this way we are going to really not letting our mind to grow, right? So if you focus on to accept the change, embrace the change, you will allow yourself to grow more in life and you will become a better person. And when you will accept all the changes in life, that will give you more opportunities and will give you more directions to follow in life. Maybe if you are fearing a change, that there's certain opportunities which you are missing, right? So never fear the change, focus on to embrace the change, and that is going to give you a lot of opportunities, and maybe that will be the right direction to follow. So never fear that. The next one is, don't try to control things in life. We are not meant to control everything in life. There are certain things that are out of our control and we cannot control. Definitely. There's nothing, like there can be few things, right, that you can have a control of, but the whole universe you cannot control. There's just one supreme power, and that is our God, who can control the entire world, right? But as humans, we cannot control everything in life. We cannot, and we don't have a hold on everybody's emotions and circumstances and things around us, the world around us where we are living, and the society where we live. We cannot have a hold or control on everything, right? So if you will try not to control everything that you are surrounded with, that will help you to give you more opportunities to grow in life, and that is what the strong-minded people do. So if you want to become a strong-minded person, try out these things and definitely don't try to control others or don't try to control this universe. The next and the last one thing is kindness. Kindness is the best policy. If you will stay kind-hearted, you're going to pay a lot of gratitude. As much you will pay gratitude, that much you're going to be blessed in life. So that's a very important rule I want to share, that if you want to become a mentally strong person, you should really become a kind-hearted person, because as much we are kind, we are going to help people, and as much we will help people, that much we are going to get blessings, right? So every day choose the act of kindness and make it a part of your routine and practice it as much possible. As much you will become a kind-hearted person, you're going to be a blessed human being, and that's for sure. So these are the simple things that strong-minded people do follow, and this was their secret which I just discussed with you. I hope you love listening. Follow these things in your life to become a strong-minded person, people, right? So thanks for watching me. See you next time.